Welcome to lab students. Here we are going to learn very important command which is known as the loft command. In this command what happen? You have to take different cross section. If you see this figure, at the bottom I have taken the ellipse and at top I have taken the circle. So these circle and ellipse joined with this path. Okay, just like that. Here if you see, here I have taken the circle, here there is a ellipse, and at the end again you have a ellipse. Okay, here you can see circle, rectangle at top, and in between there is a circle. Okay, so how to make this type of job we will see. So this will be again, here I have taken bend, means arc as a path, and small circle to start and big circle to end. So I will get a hopper like structure. Okay, so how we can do that? We can also make Colgate like structure. Okay, so see what I am going to do. Here I have taken a straight line. Okay, and at the bottom I have drawn the circle and ellipse. Okay, now I am going to move this circle. I am moving to the another end. Okay, now these two sections I have to connect. So what I am going to do, go to modeling, select the loft. Okay, loft, click first section, click another section and press enter. Okay, and you can specify the P for path and click here. So you will have a direct connection. Okay, but this type of structure, which is look like a Colgate type tube, it is very complicated structure. For that, what we can do, we can have this type of section, means this is your path. Okay, now I am moving this section. This first section will be at its own position, then this section I am going to move. Okay, then again move this section above that previous section, and then for flatness I will use the ellipse. Okay, and for the end shape I will use that compressed ellipse and concluding here. Okay, so these are the different position of my Colgate tube, you may say. Okay, so this will be your initial start of a tube, then it will open up and here it will again become flat and here it is become more thin. Okay, so see how we can do that. Go for loft. Okay, select from bottom, click, sequentially click. Okay, and say enter. Okay, now there are three conditions, boys. Okay, if you click here ruled, on the ruled, section will be changed. Okay, if you click on a smooth, definitely section will be changed, and here normally you will get a structure like a Colgate. Okay, so I am concluding this command. Next, instead of taking ellipse and circle, if you take a rectangle and circle, so you will get a different shape. See, loft. Okay, loft, click, and enter, double enter. Okay, double enter. So see the result, see the finishing. There are three types of finishing you can get. Okay, so you have to decide which finishing you have to keep, and according to that select the OK. Now to color this, we know that we have to match property. Modify match property, select the green color from this job Now for this type of shape, what you have to do, I have drawn an arc, okay, and at the end of this arc I make a rectangle, and to the another end I have make a circle. Okay, now go for the loft, click section, then another click section. Say now enter and select P for path. Here boys, you have to specify the path. Enter and select the arc and press enter. So you will have a see I am trying again loft command. Okay, click the section, enter and say P for path, enter and click the path. Okay, so at bottom you will have a rectangular shape and at the end you will have a circular shape. See here what I am going to do, I will change this shape. I will change this shape and take a rectangle. Okay, slight big rectangle I am taking. Okay, like this. Now see, loft, click another section, enter, and what you have to specify here, P for path. Okay, enter and click the path. So you will have a section like this. Okay, this is regarding your loft command. Very, very interesting command. You can make any type of bottle or any type of bat-like structure or Colgate tube-like structure. Okay, you can make a stand like this. Okay, so this will we practice in our lab. Okay, boys, we will meet in a next lecture.